Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing the installation of the small front mounted basket by Rad, and I also have the small basket bag. So I'm going to try it and see how it works. When you install this, as you can see, there's 4 screws right here. So this was going to be right where it screws onto. And then if you have a light right here, you're going to have to remove it. I've already removed it. To bolt on the basket here and remove the light, you're going to need a 5mm Allen wrench. And then for the nut on the back, you're going to need a 10mm wrench, or you can use an adjustable wrench like this. Here's the new basket right here. These are all the instructions. Here's the bag of all the stuff they give you. They give you an extension wire to mount the light on the basket, zip ties, and all the screws you would need. If you look at one of the older videos, this basket's much stronger than the previous one that I had on the bike. This one will work much better because it bolts directly to the frame. The one that I did have on there was just sitting on the handlebar, so this one will be much sturdier. I'll go ahead and get this on the bike now. Okay, I got the basket all bolted on there. So if you're going to use the light, it would bolt on to right here. And you would use a 4mm Allen wrench to take out this bolt, and then a 10mm wrench for the nut on the back. I'm not going to use this light though because it's not very bright. I'm just going to use the night riders and mount them to the side. Here's a small basket bag. This bag wasn't made for this basket specifically, but it looks like it fits okay. It's a little bit big in there, but seems like it'll fit fine. If you look, it doesn't want to go to the very bottom, but for the most part it fits okay. And there's 4 velcros, one on each side. For the way it fits in here, I'm only able to fit the side velcros, one right here and then the one on the other side. And then the front one right here and the back one, they're not able to fit on there. But besides that, it looks like it fits okay on there. This is how it looks on the inside. There's one pocket right here. I'm not going to put the light on right here, but of course you can if you do want to use the light that comes with the bike. I'm going to use these lights instead. These are the night riders. because these ones are much brighter than the light that came with the bike. So that's how it looks with the lights on there on each side, and with the new basket and bag. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.